Hey everyone, have you ever been in a situation where you need to add some cold, hard cash to your online bank account but aren't sure how? Maybe you received a birthday gift of bills or sold some things online and now want to stash that cash safely. Perhaps you're a freelancer who gets paid in person and needs to integrate that income with your Ally account. Whatever the reason, if you're an Ally Bank customer staring at a stack of cash wondering where it goes, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Ally cash deposits. Can you do them? And if not, what are your alternatives? Now, Ally is known for its online banking focus, offering competitive interest rates and a suite of digital tools. But with a completely online setup, some folks might be concerned, where does cash even come into the picture? Let's address the elephant in the room directly. Ally, as of today, June 22nd, 2024, does not have a traditional branch network where you can simply walk in and deposit cash. This might seem like a hurdle, but fear not, there are still ways to get your cash into your Ally account. So, if depositing cash directly to Ally isn't an option, what are your workarounds? We've got a couple of strategies to consider, each with its own pros and cons. Option 1. Leverage external bank deposits. This approach involves using a different bank, one with physical branches, to make your cash deposit. Here's how it works. Find a brick-and-mortar bank with a branch near you. Ideally, this could be your local bank account or one with convenient hours and locations. Head to the branch with your cash and valid ID. Inform the teller you want to make a deposit to your Ally account. There might be a few extra steps involved, like filling out a deposit slip mentioning your Ally account information. Once everything checks out, the teller will process the deposit, and the funds will be transferred to your Ally account electronically. Important things to keep in mind with this method. Transfer times. The transfer between banks can take a couple of business days to reflect in your Ally account. So, if you need instant access to the cash, this option might not be ideal. Fees. Be aware of any potential fees. Some banks might charge a fee for depositing cash to an external account, while Ally itself might have incoming transfer fees depending on your account type. Do your research beforehand to avoid any surprises. Option 2. Partner up with mobile deposit apps. Another strategy involves mobile banking apps that offer check deposits. Here's the idea. Look for a mobile banking app with check deposit functionality. Some popular options include Zelle, Venmo, or even PayPal. Use the app's check deposit feature to take a clear picture of your cash. There might be specific instructions within the app regarding how to arrange the bills for the picture. Once the app captures the image, the funds will be deposited electronically into your mobile account, typically within 1 to 3 business days. Now, you can transfer those funds from your mobile app to your Ally account. This might involve another short wait depending on the transfer method you choose. Things to consider with mobile deposits. App eligibility. Not all mobile banking apps accept cash deposits. Make sure the app you choose has this functionality before you sign up. Deposit limits. There might be daily or weekly limits on the amount of cash you can deposit through a mobile app. Be mindful of these restrictions if you're dealing with large sums of cash. Security. Ensure you're using a reputable mobile banking app and follow all security protocols to avoid any issues. So, Ally cash deposits, foe or friend? While Ally itself doesn't allow direct cash deposits, the workarounds we discussed offer solutions. Choosing the best method depends on your needs. If you prioritize speed and don't mind potential fees, using a traditional bank deposit might be your quickest option. For a more tech-savvy approach, mobile deposit apps can be convenient, although processing times and limits might be a factor. Ultimately, the key takeaway is that Ally users do have ways to get their cash into their accounts. It might take an extra step or two compared to a traditional bank, but with a little planning, you can bridge the gap between your physical cash and your digital Ally account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.